just wanted to show you this really cool way to make some videos for your company. You can do either YouTube Shorts or YouTube Explainer. You can also do TikToks and Instagram. You can clone your voice, which is super cool. I actually did that this morning and created a couple of videos, and I'm going to post to my YouTube channel. But the company that I use is called InVideo AI. And literally you can just go in here and put in the instructions that you want it to do. So let's say we're going to go create a YouTube short. So we're going to say it's fast paced, and we're going to say, provide me with house cleaning tips from professionals. And then we're going to make the background music upbeat and energetic. And then we're going to do it in English. And then if you don't want to use your own voice, you can use like either a female, or you can say, and then you can give it what type. Do you want a New Yorker accent, a Southern accent, or you can just tell it to use your voice as well. And then any subtitles. For iStock, it comes with iStock, and then I say use iStock as needed. So this gives it the opportunity to use other stock videos and images as well. And then I always like to do, especially if I'm posting on YouTube, I like to make sure that I'm using the YouTube audio library only so that it doesn't get banned. And then it's so cool. You just hit this continue button, and it's basically giving it the prompt right here. And you can actually, if you wanted to give it more text, you could add more information here, but this is going to generate a video. So we're going to go ahead and let this analyze and generate the video. And in just a second, we'll see what that looks like. Okay, so it analyzed the video, and we want to tell it that the audience is homeowners. You can also do, DIY enthusiasts or clean freaks. Mine is going to be for homeowners since I own a cleaning company. I don't always want them to like do their own cleaning, but these are just helpful tips that they can do in between the services. And then you can change it to either bright, clean, or energetic. Let's maybe change it to energetic here. And then again, it's asking what platforms you want it to be on. I'm going to make it for YouTube Shorts and go ahead and hit continue. We're going to let this generate. It takes a few minutes for it to come back with some information. Okay guys, so this video is completed. So now we're just going to go ahead and play this out. It's 47 seconds, which is a little bit long for a YouTube short, but you definitely can still use this. You can also do it as a YouTube explainer. So you can, when you go to upload it to your YouTube channel, you can do either one, but let's just voice, and it's pretty fast. So let me, and that's because I put in the energetic, right? So let me change this here. I want to change the narrator to be, slow him down a little bit. And then I can't change the speaker in here, but I can change the speed. And then I'm going to apply the changes. And then if you wanted to change anything else in here, you certainly could. You just go back to that edit button, and you can change any of the content that's in here. I'm not going to actually download this one and upload it to my YouTube channel to use because I think it's too fast, but I'm definitely going to use it in my other YouTube channel for marketing. Thanks. Hope this was helpful.